Volvo S90, we're going to change our speakers. First thing we're going to do is remove this switch, window switch. It pops out, disconnect the speaker, the switch wiring, which is that. Just push the tab, remove. The second part is this silver trim. That comes out, be careful. It's a thin plastic. Gently pull out. So the entire wood grain silver trim comes out like this. And there are two 7mm holes there. Remove them. Okay, next step is in here. There is a torx screw right at my fingertip. Straight down. That's number 20. I'm going to remove that. Okay, there's one more screw under this armrest. Right here. There's a torx screw also, number 20.
Slide.
Now you're going to slide up, okay, and pull. Disconnect all the plugs and harnesses. This open. Disconnect that. Everything comes out. Now, I have tons of videos. This speaker gone bad. This one, as you can hear, this is no good. So what we're gonna do is, since these require a spacer, we're gonna get rid of this speaker and use this one as a spacer and mount new speaker on it. What you can do is you can actually break apart this front side of plastic that comes off. Now you can remove this basket out. Up just to cut off these blades like this, or we have a saw we can cut. Now you have a big space, you can put new speaker right on. Connect the speaker wires.